Guys, get ready to be blown away by the future of smartphone as we bring you exclusive insight into the highly anticipated iPhone 15 series. In just 3 short months, Apple will unveil their latest masterpiece, and today we have the inside scoop on the remarkable iPhone 15 Pro Max. Guys, according to rumors from Revenges, who says that the same M12 OLED panel that Samsung supplied to Apple for the iPhone 14 Pro Max will be used on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So don't expect any major changes on the panel front. Now, just last month we passed along a rumor out of Korean that said Apple will use the M12 OLED panel across the entire iPhone 15 line this year, which would be a nice improvement for those who traditionally but the non-Pro model. The tipster also tells us that the 40 megapixel Sony IMX803 sensor used on iPhone 14 Pro Max primary camera will return on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Another rumor from back in January suggests that the same 48 megapixel sensor will be used on the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus as well. Of course, the non-Pro models still won't have a telephoto camera, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to be the first iPhone ever to feature a periscope lens that will take optical zoom to the 5x to 6x range from current 3x. According to tweet, the iPhone 15 Pro Max will be powered by A17 Bionic chipset, which will be produced using 3nm process node with 16 billion transistor in the A16 Bionic, which will be powering the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus. We could see roughly 18 to 20 billion transistor inside the A17 Bionic. Lastly, the tweet says that the iPhone 15 Pro Max will have 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM compared to 6GB RAM on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Actually, all 4 iPhone 14 models are equipped with 6GB of RAM, although the non-Pro models use LPDDR4 and Pro models use the faster LPDDR5 version. Previous rumors call for all 2023 iPhone models to come with dynamic island shape shifting, multitasking notification system, and the Pro units will reportedly sport a titanium body. Apple could hike price this year after keeping the phone price tag the same over the last few. So what do you think about it? Please let me know in the comment box. And we also shared very good information about iPhone 15 models. Go and check out that video, and at the last, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button.